This podcast is produced by the ABA Commission on Law and Aging. Listen to hear interviews and stories on topics related to law and aging, including best practice tips for professionals and career advice. Age is not just a number, it's an opportunity for growth and fulfillment. These episodes will explore the hurdles people face while aging, as well as opportunities for improving advocacy and strengthening the legal rights of others. Hello, and welcome to the American Bar Association's Commission on Law and Aging's new Advocates of Aging podcast. We're going to be giving you a brief introduction to our podcast today. Our full episodes will start launching in January of 2024. My name is Beth Russo, and along with Erica Costello, we will be doing the interviews. So we wanted to take this opportunity to introduce you to ourselves and the podcast in general. I will start first. As I said, my name is Beth Russo. I am a senior attorney with the ABA Commission on Law and Aging. Prior to joining the commission, I was the deputy director for the state of Alaska's Office of Public Advocacy, which is a state legal advocacy agency operating the Public Guardian's Office, in addition to the Office of Elder Fraud and Assistance. The agency also provided respondent counsel in adult guardianship cases, parental representation in child in need of aid cases, and criminal representation when the Public Defender's Agency had a conflict of interest. I headed the Alaska Public Guardian's Office from 2008 to 2019. I received my BA from Wellesley College and my JD and Master's in Public Health from Boston University, and I am a nationally certified guardian. Erica, do you want to introduce yourself?
Sure. So my name is Erica Costello, and I'm also a senior attorney at the Commission on Law and Aging. Starting in January, I'm actually going to be the associate director here. I also had started my career in aging with Adult Protective Services and headed up the Adult Protective Services Division at the St. Joe County Prosecutor's Office right out of law school. I worked there for 8 years, and then I joined the Adult Guardianship Office at the Indiana Supreme Court, where we worked at establishing guardianship programs throughout the state, as well as programs involving elder abuse, as well as supported decision-making. Since I have been here at the Commission, I work on a lot of different issues involving guardianship and elder abuse, fraud and exploitation. I have a BA from Indiana University Bloomington, a master's from Northwestern, and my law degree is from Brandeis School of Law at the University of Louisville. I'm also, like Beth, a nationally certified guardian. So Beth, why don't you tell us a little about the Commission on Law and Aging?
The Commission on Law and Aging is a collaborative and interdisciplinary leader of the American Bar Association's work to strengthen and secure the legal rights, dignity, autonomy, quality of life, and quality of care of aging persons. The Commission accomplishes its work through research, policy development, advocacy, education, training, and through assistance to lawyers, bar associations, and others working on the issues of aging. As we like to say here at the Commission, from the day that you're born, everyone is aging. Erica, why did we start this podcast?
Sure. So we started this podcast because we wanted to share with everyone all of the wonderful ideas and practice tips that we've heard from so many people that we work with who are advocates in the area of aging. So this gives us an opportunity to share with our people, attorneys and legal practitioners, and the people and stakeholders that we work with, best practice tips as well as career advice that we have heard and will share from the interviews that we're going to be doing with advocates in this area. And Beth, what are we hoping that folks can take away from this podcast?
I think we are hoping that folks will be inspired by this podcast. As you said, that they'll take away the practice tips and ideas from the advocates that we'll be interviewing so that they can use it in their own lives with the individuals that they're working with to help them navigate whatever legal issues they may find themselves in. Erica, how are episodes going to be released?
So we'll be interviewing individuals and releasing our podcast episodes monthly. So please expect to see this either on our website or our YouTube channel if you're interested. And we hope you are all excited as we are because we have some really amazing advocates lined up for our initial episodes. We look forward to you joining us in the new year. And in the meantime, please check out our webpage and YouTube channel and keep on advocating for the legal rights of all.
Thank you.